How to fix Valorant can't sign in. We are having trouble signing you in right now. The first thing you'll have to do is go to your Windows icon right here. Type in View Network Connections. From here, right click or double click on your current internet connection. Go to Properties, and then you'll find Internet Protocol version 4. Double click on that and click Use the following DNS server addresses. From preferred DNS server, just type in 1111, and then alternate DNS server is 1001. Click OK. Okay, and then next is gonna be go to your Windows icon, type in percent local app data percent. Click on enter. Once you're here, find your Valorant folder, delete your Valorant folder, and then go ahead and look for your Riot Games folder. Double click and then delete this folder right here. Now, next thing to do is go back to your Windows icon, type in CMD, make sure that you run this as an administrator, click on yes. From here, all you have to do first is ipconfig space / release, enter, and then second is going to be ipconfig space / renew, enter, and then the third one is going to be ipconfig config space / flush DNS, enter, and then last thing is ipconfig / register DNS and hit enter. Now once you've done everything, just restart your PC and try to log in again. So those are the troubleshooting steps on how to fix we can't sign you in on Valorant. We are having trouble logging you in on the game.